Hi, I'm Kesha Lambert. I am a New York City-based wedding and portrait photographer. I'm going to share with you what I carry in my bag. As a wedding photographer, it's important to arrive prepared. I will arrive with harness already on and 2 cameras mounted to my body so that I show up ready to go. I am currently working with the A7R5 and the Alpha 1. I like to use the A1 because it is the dual thing camera, and when the A7R5 was introduced, it became my go-to. Some of the things that are very important when it comes to weddings is resolution, because I like to do creative crops, and I also need the performance that comes with camera bodies like the A1 and this 7R5. Let's talk about my lenses. I will usually arrive on the wedding day with a prime lens on one camera and a wide lens. These days I'm shooting mostly with the 12-24 2.8 G Master. This lens is just great when I want to incorporate the environment. It allows me to create really dramatic, wide sweeping, beautiful photographs that are typically unexpected for our wedding clients. I like to have a medium telephoto lens mounted. The 85mm 1.4 G Master is my go-to to start my wedding day with. And if I'm not working with the 85 G Master, I have the 50mm 1.2 G Master. It's just a great all-around lens that allows me to capture portraits of individuals and groups. It gives me the right amount of distance and space to move around. And when people ask me what lens would you choose if you had to photograph a wedding from start to finish with just one lens, it would be the 50mm 1.2 G Master. Now, this is a lens that I absolutely love, the 90mm 2.8 macro lens. For weddings, I use them for detail shots, jewelry, decor elements, makeup application, to capture those tiny little details that help tell the story. And I love this lens because of how sharp the image quality is. It's a beautiful way to tell the story and pull in close to those tiny little details. Now, the 70-200mm 2.8 G Master 2. I love this lens because it's a super lightweight version of its predecessors, and I like to keep things light because I need to be able to move around, and so this saves my back. It allows me to capture things from a distance. People are unaware that the lens, even if they see it, it's in their direction. They're unaware that their photo is being taken, and so that's one of the beautiful parts about this focal range. It is also great for the ceremony. You don't know what restrictions you're going to encounter when it comes to weddings. They have rules about where you can be as a photographer, and this allows me to be prepared for any scenario. And this 24-70 2.8 G Master 2. It's just a great walk-around lens. With those focal points, 24-70, you have wide angle to a medium telephoto range. This is just a great leave-on lens for those moments that you want to be prepared for a broad range of things. I also have a few random things, a little emergency kit. During summertime, I will have things like a fan because maybe I'll get hot, but also bride or bridesmaids or people in the wedding who we're taking pictures of. Sweat is not something we desire to have in photos, so a fan comes in handy for that. Sunblock, pair of scissors, snacks, because sometimes we go hours without eating. So I always carry a little kit of random things. Preparedness is the name of the game when it comes to photographing weddings. So that's what's in my bag. Thank you for watching. Check out the Alpha Universe website and YouTube channel for more information.